Hey guys, we are out on the Dumaguete Boulevard and haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so we're gonna go check out the sights and sounds and see what's going on the boulevard here. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here on the boulevard. As usual, we're gonna go check out and have dinner at one of our favorite places on the Revolve. Meeting up with friends here. Here we are 7 months later into the lockdown. And
the building is already rated.
Oh yeah, there's I think that's a condo building maybe, or an office being built. But no thank you. Selling buko pie. Coconut pies. But yeah, you wouldn't really know that we're amidst a lockdown here, you know. I mean, everything's pretty normal except for mask wearing. Alright. So
yeah, I've been in a few of you, bud.
Hey, how are you? Always somebody that recognizes me.
Yeah.
All right. This is popular for people to come out and get exercise. And of course, all the restaurants and coffee shops and stuff are all out on the boulevard too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Much people today.
A lot of people today.
Yeah, they're
And
usual jogging, walking here.
jogging, walking, sometimes biking.
Yeah.
It's like I see half the people with masks and I see a lot of people without masks.
Oh yeah.
But
Some people didn't wear masks, and some people used to.
yeah.
And update for this one here. I took the lady.
Oh yeah, what's going on here?
That this area will be a vendor.
Vendors.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the vendors.
So this is where all the vendors will be at.
There.
All the little balut
Yeah.
and
balut,
tempura
and chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets,
All food streets.
shakes, all the street food,
Yes, yes,
all set up in one location.
yes.
Yeah,
To make, the place organized.
that will be nice. Yeah.
I'm sure.
So a lot of people out there playing volleyball today.
And I can hear like there is Zumba.
Oh yeah, they're doing Zumba as well.
Today is Tuesday. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Right, Tuesday.
They do Zumba on Tuesdays.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that dog. It's pretty.
Yeah. Nice doggy. Oh. This is a good time to walk. It's cooler. The lighting is good for the video too, so it's a good time. Yeah, things are slowly getting back to normal, but we can't really go anywhere other than Negros Oriental. We can go around to places in Negros Oriental, but we can't go to other islands or anything yet.
Yeah, it's not all yet.
Yeah.
But I think Apo Island is, yeah, because there's a boat already, right?
Apo Island, I hear, is open
They are?
for scuba diving and snorkeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's all the vendors where they're set up right now. They'll change it.
You have music there.
Yeah.
Copyright. Yeah, you'll be copyright.
Oh, thank you. So here we got frisbee going on. Playing frisbee.
What's that?
And then they're doing some, what are they doing here? Exercise?
No, they're playing. Oh, yeah.
Stretching and exercise?
Stretching.
Okay. A lot of people playing
They're
today.
not wearing masks either.
Oh yeah, I can see that. So we got frisbee, some exercising. Got a lot of volleyball out here. Good spot. There's Ging. We got bike riding, exercise, massage. See all the motorbikes here. So we've got massage and Zumba.
Crowded.
Yeah,
Crowded today.
crowded today.
Lucky Dumaguete because the whole Negros Oriental is not that strict in other places.
Yeah, this is probably the best place to be locked down.
Yes. Like for example in Davao, they are very strict.
Davao is very strict.
In Manila, they can either go out
Manila
for a
too.
good reason, get like groceries.
Yeah.
We're lucky here.
So we'll make our way back to the restaurant. We'll call it a vlog. We'll call it a wrap. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for the most part, the whole mask wearing thing is becoming less and less strict. Like I see more people not wearing masks. You see them half on, not on.
Lots of people, kids playing around here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's already starting to get a little dark, so it's really a good time to come out and do the video. Good place to walk. Yeah. Well, it looked like he recognized me. All the birds up there. Yeah. Yeah. Lots and lots of birds up there. It's getting dark earlier.
Yeah.
You noticed? Yeah.
Time is very quick.
But yeah. Not a lot to talk about. Let me see. We're gonna go hiking on Thursday. Ging will do a video, so stay tuned for a hiking video to the waterfalls on Thursday. Friday we're going to be both interviewing different people. She'll be interviewing one Filipina, I'll interview another, so stay tuned for that as well. So a couple new videos coming out. Make sure you guys check out Ging's Adventures.
Yes, guys, make sure
Yeah.
so you don't miss my videos, Char.
Yeah, Ging says don't miss her videos.
Yeah.
Sign up.
And please
Click,
subscribe
like,
if you aren't.
share, subscribe. Yeah.
And please subscribe if you aren't yet. The why not is not busy.
Why not? It's not busy, yeah.
I mean,
Honeycomb. They do have live music out here.
Yeah.
Um,
They started 7 to 9.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, start 7 to 9.
they've changed our curfew. Our curfew used to be
9.
9 p.m., but now it's 10 p.m.
Oh yeah.
So a little better. So 10 p.m. curfew now. So you can go out and listen to music and do some things. Not so strict. But nice night out here.
The time is very quick.
Yeah. Can't believe we're already,
It's really 9.
and we're halfway into October already. Hard to believe
Yeah.
that this lockdown's been going on since March.
March.
When it first started, I said, oh, this is just going to last a couple weeks. And here we are. Okay, guys, so we're going to go have dinner at Sans Revolve. We've worked up an appetite now. As you can see, there's a lot of restaurants in this area here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. This has been another walk and talk video on the Dumaguete Boulevard.